Sa araw na ito, ang ating pag-uusapan ay patungkol sa Agrarian Reform Program sa pamumuno ni President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Pero bago ang lahat, alamin muna natin ang Agrarian Reform Program at ano ang kahalagahan nito. What is Agrarian Reform Program? It is a policy designed to retribute landowners, particularly in agriculture sector, aiming to improve the economic and social well-being of landless farmers and farm workers. Ang Agrarian Reform Program ay isang polisiya na naglalayong magbigay ng lupa sa mga farmers and farm workers upang mapaunlad ang kanilang pamumuhay. Why agrarian reform programs should implemented? Land reform programs are important because they address deep-rooted inequalities in land ownership which can have significant social and economic consequences. By redistributing land to the landless and ensuring equitable access to resources, this program can empower the marginalized community, reduce poverty, and improve food security. Mahalaga na ang agrarian reform upang ang magsasaka na walang lupa ay magkaroon ng direkta na masasabi nila sa kanila. Sa pagbibigay sa kanila ng klowa sa pangalan nila sa pamamagitan nito, napapaunlad at mababawasan ang kanilang kahirapan. Agrarian Reform Program under leadership of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Despite the difficulties, the Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, or CARP, under President Duterte activated the Presidential Agrarian Reform Council of September 16, 2016. CARP, or Comprehensive Agrarian Reform Program, aimed to distribute land, primarily agricultural land, for farmers and farm workers, aiming to promote social justice, improve rural development, and address land equality under Republic Act No. 6657. Ang Departamentong CARP ay lalayong mag-ibahagi ang mga agricultural land sa mga magsasaka at maggagawa na nagsusumikap sa buhay. Ito ay naglalayong magbigyan sila ng pantay na karapatan at mapaunlad nila ang kanilang pamumuhay. Under his leadership, the President Duterte want to pursue an aggressive land reform program that would help alleviate the life of poor Filipino by prioritizing the provision of support service alongside distribution. Sa pamumuno ni President Duterte, ninais niya maipagpatuloy ang programang ito upang suportahan ang mga Pilipino na may hirap at nangangailangan. Under his administration, the DAR created an anti-corruption task force that investigate and handle report and alleged anonymous activities by official employee of the department. The department also pursue an Upland Zero backlog in the resolution of cases of relation to agrarian justice, the delivery of the agrarian reform program to fast track the implementation of CARP.